So you're
Savannah,
not
when
nothing,
you
no
threw-
feeling, nothing.
Over the fence.
There's nothing. There's like nothing.
Nothing.
I've been rolling around in the ball.
She likes yellow things.
I've been. I don't think they see color. I don't understand. I don't.
She's like, I don't care about your ball. Give me that big yellow stick. This is playing with danger.
And I feel
she could
really
jump up
heavy.
and grab my face.
She just rip you down.
Well, now I should sit over here. The show's over
See?
there.
Is it a video?
I like when she runs and all her hair flows back.
That's in the breed standard.
It's like
Breeds
cricket
have
and
long enough
running and
hooks so
grabbing
it,
the ball.
it flows when they're in motion.
Oh, really? Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that. I watched the Yukonuba dog
Nice.
show today.
Come on, Apple, throw it.
And then I thought maybe I'd go into labor today because I got up early and I was wide awake. And
Yeah.
I was
Oh,
like, I'm going to go
jeez.
build a little bouncy seat. I built that. I watched the Yukonuba thing. And then I got up. I did all this stuff. I was like, let's go to Brookline. We walked around. Hey, she brought it
Nice.
back.
She's
Good
learning.
girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Nice one.